wondering why we have all these things right now.
Well, we are going to show you how to make bottle planters.
So we've been challenged by Jennifer, one of our EBC UK Bureau correspondents. As we know, these are really interesting times. And as we all been watching the news, many of us are trying to rebuild our strength through the help of our brand new outlook in life. If that's you, or like us, you would like to grow things but you don't have a garden, check this out. But we have a balcony. Keep watching this video and check this out.
Don't worry, not only will guide you step by step, but we also have fun together.
Oh yes, we'll have fun. This could be a way for you to spend some quality time with your family. In fact, you'll not only see the three of us working on this project, but also our two brothers. And now we'll show you two types of bottle planters.
So what do we need, girls?
A 2-liter water bottle.
If you don't have suitable string to use, like us right now, get an empty frozen packet, clean it, and flatten the bag.
A candle. A skewer.
Are you ready? Let's start! Okay, so for the single bottle planter, we already removed the cover and now we're going to remove the lid.
Cut the bottle slight above the halfway point from the base, roughly 7 inches or around 18 centimeters.
Who's the fastest? Sam!
Also push in, making a slight crease in the top half, like this.
Yay! Did you make it? Alright? Yes! Okay.
As you can see, they're cutting the plastic into strings.
How about you, Erianne? How are you doing? All good?
Great.
Dandan? So concentrated, this kid. Check him out. Dandan made one! Yay!
Heat the tip of the skewer for at least 60 seconds, and then make 2 parallel holes for the strings. Insert the string or plastic loop with the help of a skewer. Tie it into a knot and voila!
We're done! Check our work! How about yours? You ready to go for the bottle 3-tier planter? Come on, let's start!
We need 3 of the 2-liter bottles, skewers, tape, a template, strings, candles, a lighter, and some scissors. Cut out the center of the template and tape it on the bottle. Use a marker to mark where to cut. Cut out the plastic and make 4 holes on each side. Link 2 plastic loops. Insert the 2 ends of the loops in the 2 opposite bottom holes from the outside of the container. Once inside, thread them through the upper 2 holes like this. Repeat the same step for the other holes. Also tie a plastic loop on the neck of the bottle. Do the same procedure for the other 2 bottles. And for the final touch, link all the bottles.
I really had fun. This was the first time for all of us.
I totally agree. I wonder what's the first dish after harvesting these veggies.
Sinigang! the ones that don't know what sinigang is, it's actually one of the most popular Filipino dishes. And don't worry, we'll actually cook some for you next time. From London, United Kingdom, we are Ericka Celestino, Eribelle Celestino,
Eribelle Celestino,
Ericka Celestino,
Daniel Celestino,
and
we live in interesting times. Hi guys, check what we're doing now.
We hope you enjoyed that video. If you found it valuable, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. If you're on Instagram, please follow us at EBC Digital Nest. If you're on Facebook, please pay our page a visit and like it. Here at Digital Nest, we continue to make healthy connections with those who desire to grow and with those who aspire to be inspired. We'll see you next time.